In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your YouTube comment history on mobile. So if you want to find comments that you've made in the past, then this is how you do it. On the home screen, tap on your profile in the bottom right, and then you should see a settings wheel appear in the top right beside the magnifying glass. Press on that. That'll open up your settings, and then from here you want to find where it says manage all history. Press that. Let that load for a second, and then you'll see it opens up your history, controls, and your interactions. You want to tap on interactions, and then come down and select the second one, or sorry, the third one, comments and replies. Press that, and then you'll see a list of all YouTube comments that you've made. So that's how to check your YouTube comment history on mobile. Thank you for watching.